What's good, my G's? Today in this video, we'll be answering the quick question that every knife player asks. Which is the best skin for knife? Now, we all know that there are many skins to choose from, like the Balisong, the Karambit, Balisong Karambit, the Chancellor Glorious knife, and even the new pencil knife from the prop one. So, but there's two that really stand out in this bundle. I'm not talking about the Karambit or Balisong. I'm talking about the Karambit and Balisong. Now, in this video, we will be doing many rounds with these two weapons. And to see which one is better in a few rounds. And then at the end of the video, we'll be doing a quick summary on which weapon is better. So stay tuned at the end of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's hop into a match. Okay, missed that.
And his name is John C.
We're using the Balisong right now, so don't be confused. We'll be using a really subtle loadout, so please be standby. Oh dang it! We nearly got that clip. Okay, let's reload real quick, and let's continue. Okay, where is he? Okay, there he is. Grapple him over here. Nope, missed it. Nope, dang it. Okay. Grappler movement. Okay, let's see. Let's go. 2-0. We got this in the bag. Okay. Let's go out the other way now. Come on.
You stupid.
And I just got humbled, bro. Seriously, bro. Are we dead ass? Okay. Come on. We can lock in. Let's lock in. Lock in, boys. Okay. Grenade jump. Missed it. Oh. Damn. Okay. Grappler. Okay. No. We're not using the grappler slate. Grappler movement. Balisong. Hit that. No. I'm not getting humbled. Who really know this was gonna happen? Who thought? Okay, guys, we must lock in. Grenade jump. Missed it. Okay. KK. Let's see if we can work him with the bell. Okay, I just missed it like an idiot. I literally stabbed the air. What kind of idiot does that? Okay, grappling movement, and let's go. Clicked him. Midair. Balisong's kind of clean in my opinion. Like, it's so I don't even know what to say. I really don't know what to say. So many body stabs, bro. How many body stabs in this round are we gonna have? Okay, he's B hopping. Grappler, okay. We keep missing. Okay, I'm not getting humbled by him again. I'm not getting humbled again. And let's, come on. How about we, oh, he's up there. Bro, I keep missing my grappler. We got it again, we missed it. Okay, knife movement, no. Okay, this is getting intense, let's go. Sheesh, let's go. Match point, it's mine. Time for me to lock in and end this match. Okay, why did I just stab the air right there? I was literally like 500 inches away from him, and I just stabbed the air. Okay, grappled him over. Let's go! That was kind of a good round, but there we go. GG's, bro, GG's. Now, we're gonna move on to the Karambit, in which is a very, very good knife skin. Okay, most of you know Karambit is an OG. Came out very early in when knife was like invented. Who knows? I don't know the date of when Rebels was created. Now, we're gonna move on to the Karambit. And now we're gonna 1v1 our friend here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna use the same loadout as last round, just a different skin, especially for the knife. Okay, why did Roblox just hashtag me? Let's go, clipped him. This round took 6 seconds. Wow. Never had a faster round in my life, especially with knife. Okay, now he's locking in. Okay. Thought that I was gonna pull it. Oh! What? Okay. That we're off to a good and bad start. But we're not gonna let that happen. Oh, using jump pad. Okay. What am I doing? I didn't even slide. Like, what kind of an idiot does that? Okay. And I just stabbed the air again. Wow. Let's go! Oh, I got experience wrap. Okay. Okay, grenade jump again.
Bruh.
Use his jump pad again. He can slip past towards me, bro. Okay, grapple him over here. No!
Finish him.
Let's go. We got a backstab anyway. Let's go. We got a backstab anyway. Okay, we're off to a good start. I have a good feeling for this round. I have a really good feeling for this round. Okay. No, body shot. We do not like body shots. We like the back shots. We like the really 150 big A. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay, Mr. Grappler, but we have it again. It's good. Don't know where the heck this guy is. Oh no. I just missed it. Okay. Boom. No! Missed the clip! Come on! Okay. This guy. Why did I just grapple that? I could have stabbed him. Phew. This is so annoying, bro. This is so annoying. Okay. Walk into the jump pad like a good boy. Run away. Okay. I need to reload because, well, who wants an empty grenade launcher? Okay. Go over here. You're not hiding right there, are you? Okay, it's 20 minutes left. No, seconds. If it was 20 minutes, I would just leave. Okay, he's flying across the map. I can't track him. And I missed my grappler. Okay. Oh no, time's running out. He might win. He's gonna win. Damn it, bro. Look at this goober. Like, waste his time. Bro won by luck right there. I'm just saying. He just won by luck. Missed the clip? He missed this clip. I kind of like this wrap on the clip. Oh! Let's go! Clipped him. Clip of the century. Wow, bro. Never thought I'd do that kind of clip. Oh my god. Okay, what was that timing? That was actually kind of timing. Okay, grapple him to the floor. Where he kind of belongs. Miss my clip. Miss another clip. Okay. Oh! And, okay, bro. Sudden death, bro. I better lock in. I'm gonna use his loadout. Bow, daggers, knife, jump pad. That might help me this round, because I'm not gonna lose. Okay, he jump scared me. Oh my god. Missed another clip? Let's go! That round was ours. And clip of the century again. Okay, so let's now move on to the summary of this video. The summary between Balisong and Karambit. Let's move on. As every knife player knows, the Balisong and the default knife have some sort of warning, like this. You see? It makes a lot of sound. It goes with the Balisong right here. If you pop the Karambit, completely silent. It doesn't make any sound compared to other knife skins. And the Karambit's also pretty tiny for a knife skin, so people can barely ever tell if you're holding it. Now my personal favorite is Balisong because of the design and animations overall. But if you're really a bit more serious about the game, Karambit's a good pick for you too. So thank you for joining me on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.